we're going to teach you about the 4 sampling methods through Kang In's life. But wait, before that, what's the difference between a population and a sample? A population is the whole set of items that people are interested in, and a sample is a subset of a population. We would rarely gather information about a population as the cost is too high and the population is too dynamic, as the population will change over time. As a result, we often take the results of an analysis using a sample and generalize it into a larger population that can represent the population. What's a random sample, you may be wondering? Well, it is a sample in which every member of the population has an equal probability of being selected. Guess it's time to see how Kang's first day of school went. Socially awkward, he found it hard to approach people and make new friends. He decided that he had to make some friends and had decided to buy some chocolates to help him choose which friend to be friend with.
The world is filled with so many different brands of chocolate. Which should I choose? I think I like M&M's, Kinder Bueno, Hershey's, Cadbury Lindt. I think that's all I know. Wait, let me search for some more. People say Royce, Van Houten, Toblerone, Kit Kat, and Awfully Chocolate are quite good too. Maybe I should try them.
Okay.
After having numbered the chocolate brands from 1 to 10, I shall now use a random number generator on my computer to decide which number corresponding to the brand I should buy. So let's fill this up and let's see what results I get. It says number 9. According to the list that we've seen earlier, number 9 would be Toblerone. So I guess Toblerone will be the brand of chocolate I buy.
From this, we can see that simple random sampling is great as we do not need in-depth research and advanced knowledge of all the different chocolates available prior to selection, and this only requires an updated sampling frame, and every member of the population has an equal chance of being selected. However, it is difficult and impossible to get access to every member of the population, especially when there are so many brands of chocolates in the market. The randomness could also be highly possible for us to gather samples which would not represent the population for well.
Ew! Now I hate chocolates!
Today, Kang reached the school very early, before any of his classmates reached, and he realized he only had 8 chocolates but 21 classmates.
With a population size of 21 people, trying to divide it by 8 is not possible because this will not give me a nice number. So, if I want to find k, where k is the number of people in each interval, I will use the formula k equals to 21, which is the total size of the population, and 7 divided by 7, which is the number of intervals that I want. And with this value, I will get 3. 3 means that there will be 3 people in each interval. So first, I will use a random number table to randomly select a member from the first interval of k, after which every third member will be selected until the sample size of n is obtained.
The advantages of a sample is that it's more evenly spread out over the population, and it is relatively easy to conduct this type of sampling. However, this method does not allow us to get accurate representation of the population, as there could be an effect of periodicity. Moreover, if 3 people decide to walk into the door all at the same time, it will be difficult to decide who to give the chocolate to.
Next up, we're going to demonstrate quota sampling through the process of finding Kang Ying a girlfriend.
It's been 4 months since I joined NJ. I haven't found a girlfriend yet. I think it's about time I found one. How should I do that?
Kang Ying wants to find a girlfriend soon, so he quickly creates a sample size of 30 girls from across the cohort. As you can see from the table he is drawing, the sample is non-random and the 30 girls are divided into mutually exclusive, non-overlapping subgroups.
So I have divided them into race and CCA. For races, they are either Chinese, Indian or Malay. CCA, they are either in touch rugby, dance or floorball. So to get a total of 30 girls from each subgroup, I must split them up. So let's say 11 Chinese, 6 Indian, 13 Malay girls. And maybe for CCAs we have 6 touch rugby girls, 14 dance and 10 floorballers. So now I shall better organize the girls by both their race and their CCA. So from here we have 2 Chinese girls from touch rugby, 3 Malay girls from touch rugby, and maybe let's fill up the rest of the table. So we have 6 Malay girls from dance, so on and so forth. So now we have a completed table.
From his finalized sample frame, he then wants to get to know each and every one of them. However, as he is scrolling through the photos, he realizes that the girls he chose to be in his sample were those who were only willing to talk to him out of convenience. These girls weren't actually the type of girl he was suited for. Eventually, Kang Ying decides to get serious and actually find a girl of his type out of his sample frame.
Hey Bellamy, I finally found a girlfriend! Woo! Oh my god, I think I'm gonna take her to USS.
Kang Ying has decided to bring his date to Universal Studios. However, his date only wants to do 10 activities with him and she has only got 3 hours to spend with him. So now, we shall demonstrate how he uses stratified sampling to select a proportionate number of indoor and outdoor activities. Kang Ying decides to go onto Google to find the sitemap of Universal Studios. After 1 hour, he finally finds it.
Now I will classify the 20 activities that can be done at Universal Studios into indoor and outdoor activities. Let's see. Number 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6. I'm not sure. 13 kind of looks like both. Oh well, let's consider it an indoor activity then. And the rest of the other 12 activities, I guess, should be outdoor activities. This is my final list of activities, but I can't do 20, I can only do 10 activities. I should choose a proportional representation of indoor and outdoor activities. So, using this formula, I can calculate the number of indoor and outdoor activities. Let's see. So this would be 4 indoor activities and maybe 6 outdoor activities.
As you can see, Kang Ying found it difficult to classify some of the activities as they were partially indoors and outdoors. Moreover, the stratified sampling method required him to put in a lot of effort into research.